There is huge variability in the sector's ability and capacity to measure social impact. Yet, on the other hand, the demand for evaluation from funders, including government funders, was growing exponentially. We have decided to try and develop some resources that are accessible, reliable, but mostly free. The philosophy being we can democratise access to the information and the tools needed to be able to build the capacity of the sector to measure their own social impact. This toolbox has various components. It contains a repository of the relevant evidence, the literature, summaries of the key findings. Then we have what's called builders, the theory of change, which explains overall what you're going to achieve with this program and for whom. And then you go more in detail to the program logic builders, which is similar to a business case, but it helps not-for-profits to work out the inputs required, the activities required, the outputs, and then the impact. How this toolbox makes it easier, we've created some software. So it's a drop and drag, and you're getting prompted with relevant menus. So while there are bits that can be customised, all the way it's prompting you to help you complete the form through mostly drop and drag. Most excitingly, after prompting people who are using the builders, we prompt suggestions of what questionnaires or other focus group questions or whatever they can use to measure the particular impact. The exciting thing is usually those questionnaires are locked behind a paywall in some sort of journal article. So we're hoping the whole package together will, and being available for free, will really help particularly the smaller organisations to measure and prove their impact.